Replacing your Audi key fob battery can sometimes cause it to stop working. This happens because the fob loses synchronization with your car's system. The key fob operates using radio frequency RF communication, and changing the battery can disrupt the cryptographic handshake, causing the car to reject the signal. To fix this, you need to resync the key fob, re-establishing the code sequence. Make sure to use the correct battery, typically a 3-volt CR2032 or CR2450, and avoid rapid battery swaps to prevent issues. Counterfeit batteries can also cause issues, so always use OEM parts. First, ensure your car is unlocked and the new battery in the key fob is fresh. Insert the key into the ignition if it's mechanical, or place the fob near the start button. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Rapidly press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob about 5 to 10 times. Then turn the ignition off. Repeat this cycle 3 to 5 times, walking 10 to 20 feet away between cycles to test signal range. Finally, test the fob by trying to lock and unlock the doors. If it works, you've successfully resynced it. If not, seek professional diagnostics.